And it's quite interesting, and I want to greet our viewers wherever they are at this particular time, because you know, we wake up every morning and at times we forget to thank God because others do not wake up.
Yeah.
And so I'm grateful, and to all the Kenyans watching us, good morning. We're here for another by-election, and the last few by-elections have been quite interesting. My good friend Senator Cherangai here even has a court case arising from a by-election. Because we tend to be very heated when it comes to politics.
Yeah.
Our emotions, you know, tend to take over even beyond our reason. And you wonder. And one of the differences between the West and developed nations and African nations is the way we choose our leaders. I mean, the talk here, you can see the papers between, will it be the president versus the deputy president? It's not, will it be the person who can carry out the late Koinange's vision? You know, as the person has said. So here people are being lured, piga hii chama, sio kujipigia ndio uweze kuendelea. So we need to mature politically to come to a place where we say that we have to vote for our own selfish needs.
Yeah.
So you vote for the right person for you. Yes, party politics are important. They've been hyped up. And what, you know, and when you talk about, before I make a very important point, when you talk about party, and Wanga's talked about democracy. And I saw the report where somebody was being told that you cannot take photos. I don't know that many people know why that happens. What happens is that unaenda mahali, unapewa 500, unaambiwa pigia huyu, alafu chukua picha, ukirudi tutakupatia ile 500 ingine, ama 100, ama 50. So it's basically an electoral fraud. So when they say you can't take photos, some mtu atapewa pesa na kula. Me, I want to tell the voters of Kiambaa, ukipewa pesa kula, lakini pigia yule mtu unajua atakufaa. Wacha kupigia watu ambao unafikiri wanakupatia pesa na kupanga na vitu. We saw it in Kibra.
Yeah.
You know, people being given money, we saw it in many places. This is about your life, and we have to mature politically. And lastly, to the people of Mount Kenya, you know, truth needs to be told. We are watching this struggle that has been presented between the president, who comes from that region and also comes from Kiambu,
yeah.
Who is the president of Kenya, vis-a-vis the deputy president, who the president actually took to Mount Kenya to be loved in Mount Kenya, because after the post-election violence was not very loved. Took him there, introduced him to the people, said we can work together and everything. And we are starting to, the rest of us who are not from Mount Kenya, especially Central Province, we are starting to get the feeling that the Mount Kenya people are taking for granted that they have been the people whose sons have ruled this country for very many years. They have had Jomo Kenyatta, they have had Mwai Kibaki, they have had Uhuru Kenyatta, you know. So you look at, out of 4 presidents, is it 4? You know, they have had 3 in this, and so they have started taking it for granted. And that is why you can see their attitude, even, you know, they talk about their president, they talk about things. And there are people here who are saying, give me the presidency for only 3 minutes. Hata sitaki siku moja, 3 minutes tuonje. Community yetu isikie imeingia urais. 3 minutes. And yet here people are making a decision to say, we'll just tell our president, wetu, we kwenda huko, tutaenda kwa mtu mwingine. We don't care about you. So they're taking it for granted. Yeah. And at times when you take things for granted and you lose them, you get to regret later on. So it's a high time the people of Central Province sat down and thought about themselves and asked themselves, how are other Kenyans looking at us? Yeah. Because if you look at the struggle between, the perceived struggle between the president and the deputy president, it's not happening in Nandi, it's not happening in Ukambani, it's not happening in Kisumu or in Siaya, it's not happening in Taita, it's not happening in Western. No, it's happening at the president's backyard.
Yeah.
And this is the president of the Republic of Kenya, where people have fought and been killed, yeah, trying to get into that position to be president. Yet the people of the same region where he comes from are taking it for granted. Wanaiona, wanaipuuza, yeah, wameizoea. Maybe wameizoea too much. Okay. And maybe this is a lesson and a message to the rest of us, okay, in this country.